Welcome to our Roblox adventure. Today, we'll be diving into the exciting world of Roblox gift cards and how you can benefit from them. Let's take a look at the awesome free items available in Roblox when you redeem gift cards. Who doesn't love a stylish new outfit? You can easily find Roblox gift cards in stores or purchase them online. Let's explore your options. Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to redeem your Roblox gift card. Follow along to start enjoying your Robux. Introducing the Jackpot Robux bag, a treasure chest of Robux that can supercharge your gaming experience. Did you know you can also earn Robux without spending any real money? Let's explore some fun ways to get your hands on more Robux. To make the most out of your Roblox gift cards, here are some essential tips for maximizing your in-game purchases. Let's clear up some common misconceptions about Roblox gift cards and how they really work. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more Roblox gift card promotions and happy gaming.